black gold of the marshes, was the secret formula of Sumer, the engineered force that waterproofed the first cities. They were not simply scooping up black seepage from the earth, they were engineering it. At Abu Tabira, archaeologists analyzed 59 ancient samples under digital microscopes. What they found changed the story. Plant fibers and mineral fragments were not random debris, they were deliberate additives. 4 distinct recipes emerged, each designed for strength, flexibility, or waterproofing. Fiber-rich blends made adhesives tougher. Mineral-heavy mixtures increased durability. Standardized blocks suggest planned production. Even recycling was practiced. When reheating made the material brittle, new fillers restored performance. In cities like Ur, surrounded by water and built largely of mud brick, survival depended on this engineered black compound. Boats, walls, and canals relied on it. So the question is clear. Were the world's first cities held together not just by writing and trade, but by a carefully designed material that worked like asphalt 4,000 years ago? All the details await in the link below. Share it and be part of spreading the news.